So now we're combining absolute value with some mathematical operations. The most difficult thing about all of this is understanding where the absolute values begin and end. There will never be nested absolute values, that is, one set within another, like we may have with brackets. We'll always have a beginning and an end. So in A, we have the absolute value of 4. And what I like to do, I like to make those bars a little bit bigger than the text itself, just so I'm clear that those are absolute values and not possibly ones. We also have subtract the absolute value of 6. To do this, we need to do the absolute values before any mathematical operations between them. So we would end up with 4 minus 6, which would give us a final answer of negative 2. With question B, we have the absolute value of 2 minus 7. To deal with that, think of the absolute values as a set of brackets. We need to do the work inside the brackets before we can do anything else. So we have 5 minus 3, absolute value of negative 5, which would give us 5 minus 3 times positive 5. Since we've taken the absolute value of negative 5, that is 5. Keeping order of operations in mind, we need to do the multiplying first, so 5 minus 15, final answer, negative 10. C, we have one set of absolute values around the whole operation, so we'll do all the work inside first, and then we'll take the absolute value at the end. So we have absolute value of negative 2. We'll do 5 minus 7 gives us negative 2, that is squared, plus 6. We'll do negative 2 squared, that is 4. We'll do negative 2 times 4, that's negative 8. Negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. And absolute value of negative 2 is 2.